Welcome back to a new video session from Biology Boost Up. And in this video session, we're going to learn about some special topics regarding cardiovascular system. So now, let's start. At first, I talking about the mediastinum. This is the space between two lungs, that is the central subdivision of thoracic cavity. It extends from the sternum in front to the vertebral column behind and contains all the thoracic viscera except lungs. It is flanked on either side by the right and left pulmonary cavities, which house the lungs. Now next, the embryonic origin of human heart. The embryonic heart is derived from embryonic mesoderm that differentiated after gastrulation into mesothelium, endothelium and myocardium. Mesothelial pericardium form the inner lining of the heart. The outer lining of the heart, lymphatic and blood vessels developed from endothelium, and the myocardium develops into heart muscle. Now next, the artificial pacemaker. Now look, SA node may become defective due to various reasons. It then fails to generate cardiac impulse at normal rate. The heart becomes slow and irregular, and the tissue receives less blood. This disorder may be corrected by implanting an artificial pacemaker in the patient's chest. This instrument stimulates the heart electrically at regular intervals to beat at normal rate. Next topic is the ventricular escape. Strong parasympathetic stimulation can completely stop either the excitation by SA node or transmission of cardiac impulse from atria to ventricles. The ventricle stop beating for 5 to 20 seconds, but then some point in the Purkinje fibers, usually in the ventricle septal portion of the AV bundle, develops a rhythm of its own and causes ventricular contraction at a rate of 15 to 40 beats per minute. This phenomenon is called ventricular escape. Now next, the pulse. The pulse is the alternate expansions and elastic recoil of an artery, which is systole. Pulse is strongest in the arteries close to the heart. Normal pulse rate range is about 70 to 90 per minute. The term tachycardia is applied to a rapid heart rate or pulse rate about more than 100 times per minute. The bradycardia is the term indicating a slow heart rate or pulse rate under 50 times per minute. The heart rate. Pulse per minute is called as heart rate. Human heart beats 72 times per minute. This is designated as heart rate. It increases during exercise, fever, anger, and fear. Now, next, the cardiac output of heart. The amount of blood pumped by heart per minute is called cardiac output. Cardiac output of humans is approximately 5 liters per minute. Cardiac output is also the volume of blood flowing through either the systemic or pulmonary circuit per minute. It is determined by multiplying the heart rate with the volume of blood ejected by each ventricle during each beat, which is called the stroke volume. As you can see here, the cardiac output equals to heart rate into stroke volume. The heart rate is about 72 beats per minute into 0.07 liter per beat equals to 5 liters per minute. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you friends.